Let me show you how to change your tyre using a tyre changer. To begin, remove the valve core using a valve core removal tool. Next, break the bead. Using the bead breaking shovel located on the side of the tyre changer, press the bead breaker pedal to push the shovel between the tyre and the wheel rim. Repeat this process on both sides of the wheel until the bead is completely released from the rim. Apply tyre soap to both sides of the tyre around the wheel rim. This reduces friction and helps prevent damage during removal. Lift the wheel onto the turntable and clamp it securely in place using the clamping pedal. Before removing the tyre, use wheel balance removal pliers to remove any wheel weights. This protects the tyre changer head from damage during operation. Press the tilt back pedal to bring the arm forward into position. Lower the duck head to the rim and lock it securely in place. Using the tyre lever, hook underneath the upper bead of the tyre. Press the turntable rotation pedal and allow the wheel to rotate until the upper bead is fully removed from the rim. Lift the tyre slightly and repeat the process on the lower bead. Press the turntable pedal again and continue rotating until the tyre is completely removed. Once the tyre is off, press the tilt back pedal to raise the arm clear of the wheel. Now rotate the wheel to make the valve accessible. Carefully cut and remove the old valve and dispose of it correctly. Whenever a tyre is replaced, it is best practice to always fit a new valve. Take the new valve, remove the valve cap, and apply tyre soap. Using a valve puller tool, pull the valve through the rim until it clicks into position. Always visually check that the valve is fully seated and secure against the rim. To refit the tyre, apply tyre soap to both inner and outer beads. Correct lubrication is essential to ensure safe fitting and to prevent damage to the tyre. Press the tilt back pedal to bring the arm forward again. Position the lower bead against the duck head and apply pressure to the right hand side of the tyre. This keeps the bead under the rim and prevents it from stretching. Press the turntable pedal and rotate the wheel until the lower bead is fully fitted. Repeat the same process for the upper bead to complete the tyre installation. Once complete, press the tilt back pedal to raise the arm, then release the wheel clamp. Inflate the tyre to the correct PSI . And refit the valve cap. That's how to change a tyre using one of the tyre changers from Concept Garage Equipment.